Okay guys, for tomorrow's recipe we need to sprout green gram. So on the previous night we'll take 1 cup or half cup? Half cup of green gram. 2 cups of water. Okay everyone, in today's recipe we are making green gram sprout salad. You will find this in page 22 of the Sadhguru's cooking book, A Taste of Well-Being. Okay everyone, so these are our ingredients for today. We have sprouted green gram seeds, then some raisins, grated coconut, 4 dates, 2 lemon, carrot, little olive oil and honey. So the actual recipe you have to have it raw, but since that is very hard, we are going to modify the recipe and boil it for a little. So now let's prepare everything. Okay guys, fill some water. Now this is our Avi machine, steam machine. This is like a flower. Put it inside. And open it. Okay, we shall put our entire sprouts. Oh my god. In the recipe, salt is not set, but a little salt to taste is always good. After a few minutes, we can open it and it is properly boiled. And stir it so that the salt is properly mixed. Next we cut the, oh my god, there are seeds. Seedless. Seed. We remove the seeds and can chop it into small parts. Why? So first we'll make the dressing. We just need to add as much honey as you want, little bit of olive oil and lemon juice to taste. I've squeezed 1 lemon, so I pour it. Okay, now we mix it properly. Okay guys, we shall first for our green gram sprouts, carrot, grated coconut, our dates and raisins. Now with our special spoon we'll mix. We'll add our dressing. And you can add, there are some modifications in the book. You can add pineapple and other pomegranate if you want to make it sweeter, and if you want to make it saltier, there are some other modifications also. So you can add cucumber, tomato, raw mango or mint leaves to make it a bit salty. And mom is saying if you want you can add red chili, but that makes it negative pranic, so don't do it. No green chili also. Okay, subscribe to the channel guys. For decorative purposes, we are going to put some nuts on top of it. Okay guys, we are giving for our review.
What is this?
This is green gram sprout salad of Sadhguru.
Oh, very nice. Colorful. Very.
Come closer.
Lot of cashew nuts.
Cameraman, come closer.
Cashew nut is there, grapes is there, then dates, carrot.
How is it, Valija?
Super. Very good.
Tell the truth. How is it?
കൊള്ളാം നല്ല സാലഡാ എപ്പോഴും കഴിക്കാൻ പറ്റിയ സാലഡാ
I will translate it. It is good salad. He
It's a
said.
very good salad. It's prepared very well with cashew nuts, sprouted green gram, carrot, kismis. Very tasty and very delicious.
Thanks to Sadhguru.
Subscribe to the channel, guys. Don't subscribe to Sadhguru's channel. Subscribe to my channel.